Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Secret Sharpshooter Basic Achievement in the new hide and seek party game in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia introduced a brand new multiplayer gameplay that called Hide and Seek Party. And in here you can play it together with other players and take on different roles during each match. And to get this sharpshooter basic achievement, you need to be assigned to journalist role. Once you are a journalist, your objective is to successfully find the cream can. And the trick is that you must find the cream can 2 times in a row without failing. And if you manage to identify and catch the cream can into consecutive rounds as a journalist, this secret achievement will automatically unlock like this. So just keep playing and then focus on spotting the cream can accurately in back-to-back rounds. And okay, that's how you can unlock this sharpshooter basic achievement in Heartopia. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.